Hello friends, if you are excited about this thali, then be with me till the end of this video. I'm giving you two recipes on two different vlogs. The first one is a chana recipe and the second one is a surprise. Hi friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. Let's start with the recipe, and I'm making today the Navratri Pahadi Chana. I'm making with white Kabuli chana. You can also make this recipe with red chana. So let's see what ingredients we need to make this recipe. This is 1 cup boiled Kabuli chana soaked overnight. I've taken a jar here. I've added some coriander stalk and I'm adding half-inch ginger, and I am adding 1 chili here, some lemon juice, some chana, little water, okay, and we'll add some spices here. So I'm adding some mixed spices here, some turmeric, some coriander and some jeera. We shifted from Chennai to Bangalore, so during that shifting, my masalas got messed up. All my coriander, all my turmeric and jeera, everything got mixed up. Now we can't waste the masala, right? So little I'm using it off. A little more haldi, half teaspoon coriander. Masalas you can adjust as per your taste and your requirement. Okay, just little. Now no tomato, nothing is going in this. I'm just adding the same water here, and I'm going to blend this into a fine paste. Alright friends, the masala is grinded here. This is how it is. I'll add more red chili powder, that is a kuti lal, later. Kadai has become hot. In that I'm going to add around around 3 tablespoon oil I have added. Adding half teaspoon jeera, some asafoetida, and I'm chopping in 1 red chili, and we will add this paste. Slow down the gas. And to this I'm adding some kuti lal mirch, half teaspoon. Okay. I'm adding half teaspoon salt and pinch of sugar. Let's fry the masala now. I'll add, so total 1 teaspoon kuti lal I've added. Very simple recipe. Very simple, very yummy. As you see, the oil has started separating. And last I will add half teaspoon chana masala to this. It's optional. If you have, you can add. You can see here. We have to saute this continuously because you have added chana in this. There's chana paste also. It can stick at the bottom and it can certainly spoil the look of your chana masala. Okay. Now I'm adding my boiled Kabuli chana. You can add red chana instead of Kabuli chana. Look at the color.
Making very simple Navratri Pahadi Chana, and do watch the recipe till the end.
Just little more water I'm adding. We'll give a good dum of 5 minutes and then we'll taste and we'll see how it has come out. Let's check. Oof. Just look at the color. You can make this dry also and you can keep it wet also, it's up to you. Okay, I'm going to keep it a little wet because we want to have it with puri. So this is an excellent Pahadi chana, Navratra Pahadi chana. Very, very yum. No garlic and no onion. Very easy, very simple recipe to make. I'm going to add little chana masala to this now. So I'm adding around say half teaspoon chana masala to this. Super. Just a dash of coriander. And I'm going to serve this with puri, and I'm going to serve with this with one delicious halwa. Very, very delicious halwa. So friends, if you have liked my recipe, then please give a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you soon with another Navratra special dish.
Take care, be safe, bye, and don't forget to watch my next vlog for the special halwa. Sneak peek into the delicious halwa. The recipe is on the next vlog. Do watch it.